This is the MPVA Water project. This has been running for a number of years now on vineyards on the Mornington Peninsula. The project involves going out and sampling the water from water bodies on vineyards. These may be streams, there may be dams on streams or separate dams entirely. And the intention is to measure the water quality in those water bodies to ensure that the water quality is maintained and maybe even improved, and to ensure that water is kept in good condition and that the vineyards and the activities in the vineyards are not making any impact on the quality of the water. Rate of flow, well, these are connected to a stream, aren't they? But the slow, just say slow type of flow, steady waterway appearance. It's got slight colour, but yeah, it's not muddy. It's actually quite clear, isn't it? Just a bit coloured. And anything else about the site? The site's fine. It's clean. It's nice, no problem. So that's the start of the site description. Now we do the macroinvertebrate sampling. We're at Montalto Vineyard. We've just been down to the dam in the valley and sampled the water from the dam. This is our water sample. We use this range of equipment here now to measure the chemical characteristics of that water. This includes conductivity meter, which measures the salt in the water, the pH meter, which is a measure of the acidity of the water. These tubes we use to measure the turbidity of the water, which gives an idea of how clear the water is. And those sort of more physical characteristics. Then we've got the chemical analysis, and there are three things we do with that. One is dissolved oxygen. Dissolved oxygen is important for animals in the water to survive, so it gives a measure of how healthy the water is. And then we measure the phosphate and the ammonia. These are measures of nutrients in the water. High levels of nutrients can lead to contamination, algal blooms, and poor water quality. So we can use all these measures to get a good idea of what the water quality is of the dam on the Montalto Vineyard. We transfer some of the material that we've collected in the net into a tray, and we then start sorting through, and you can already see a number of organisms moving around. There's a bug, an amphipod, there's a water boatman, it's a bug. Now I find there's a range of equipment you need. Forceps is good, a spoon is handy, and even a pipette, because some of these guys move pretty quickly and you just scoop them up in a spoon. Now water chemistry has already showed that the water quality is quite good here, and the fact that we've got water bugs, damselfly larvae and amphipods or sandhoppers are all quite sensitive animals. Because they're here, it shows that the water quality is quite good. We would encourage more vineyards to join the project to get indication of the water quality on their vineyards. The more we have, the better indication we have over the whole of the peninsula on water quality. Knowing what your water quality is useful for you as a vineyard manager, vineyard owner, because you know how the water is like, how it can be used, whether you should take care with use, these sort of aspects, and also it benefits the whole of the community to give a good indication of what the water quality is like on the various water bodies across the Mornington Peninsula.